Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you about the secret event in Grow Garden. So did you know there's a secret event in Grow Garden too where you can earn some awesome rewards? First, just open the Discord, official Discord, and then just click this link, this food link. But don't worry, I will put the link in the description too so you can access it easily. And then next, once you're in the link, you can join the carrot contest by tap on this carrot icon and then just tap on this carrot contest, this one, like this. And to compete, you will need to collect and submit as many golden carrots on here. And there are several ways to earn golden carrots. You can verify your account, like verify your email, your phone, and connect to Discord. And in here, you will automatically receive the golden carrot for participating. And then you can also earn more by do votings on plants and pets at this event, but in here I can't show you because I already voted before. But on here you just need to like or dislike the plants and pet that shows in this event, and you will automatically receive golden carrots for participating the food. And to join this contest, just tap on this carrot contest, and then next in here, just submitting as many carrots as you can before the giveaway timer ends, like this. And the rewards are pretty exciting. Players at the very top of the leaderboard can win a random pet or mega pet, like this. And if you finish in the top 5, you will receive the legendary seed pack. And if you are in the top 500, you will get a rare seed pack. And in here, I want to try submit my carrot, my 40 carrot, like this, and then next just tap on giant. And just like that, you will successfully submit your carrot. And then next, just keep collecting more carrot and submitting more carrot to level up your rank. And okay, that's it. Just good luck. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.